morning, fishing fans, ice fishing fans of Strawberry. Here we are again. Another little cloudy day. Today is February 9th. I believe it's a Monday. It's a Monday. We're up here in the morning, see what we can do. We're in the marina area, kind of a little bit over by Mosquito Bay. And we're gonna see what we can catch today. So far, we've been fishing for about half an hour and haven't had any success, but we're gonna keep plugging away and see what we can come up with.
Sounds like a ghost story. Hey, good morning, fishing fans. It's me and Pete out here on the ice again, Monday morning, and we're out here off the point, Mosquito Bay. We move all around the lake. Some of our fans have wondered where we go when we fish, but we kind of move around, try different places, different depths. Usually we look for about 25 feet of water, and since we're so lazy, we don't get up early and come out here, in the middle of the night, like dedicated fishermen. We don't start catching the fish till after we eat our lunch, and then between like 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock, it gets real hectic, and we have a good time. So if you subscribe to Peter's YouTube, then you'll see a lot of the scenery around here and know right exactly where we go. And you've seen closely on our videos what we catch them on. Paddle bugs, green, white gitsets, gotta have a little red on them. And I've got on a white gitset, and I tipped it with a waxworm, and I'm just setting up my other pole. I'm going to put a dropper with some potskis. I'm going to try the old potskis and see what happens with it. And then I'm going to put a green curly-tailed grub on, just green. And we're going to see what works with that combination. So stay tuned. We'll bring you back some adventure. We'll see if Potskis pull through. He was the old-time favorite 30 years ago, 40 years ago. No, I didn't miss him. I got him. Cutthroat. That's funny, that happened right when you were here. How lucky for us. Guess what he took? He took the white gitset with the waxworm. Oh, are you back? Situation here. Terrible situation we've got here. We just caught one. It's too small for us to be interested in and too big to keep or something like that, but he took the white gitset with the waxworm. He left the Mike's fish bait. So we'll get him unhooked and get him thrown back in the water here. Big fish, mean fish. Whoa, settle down. He's gone.
I got a bite on my jaw jacker.
You better go get him. This one got off on the other one there.
No, it's
Let's
hooked.
see.
It's hooked, so I'm okay. You gonna hold it up and show us?
Well, I'm kind of tangled up with the hooks right now. But that's what we got. That one took the power bait. Actually, it was the Potskis bait, similar to power bait. Same color, sparkly. Good fish. I gotta get this hook out of him and see what's going on with that other one.
I got hooked a fish on my jaw jacker, and I'm holding the camera at the same time, so that's not going to work very well. Yeah, I'll just pull that one up with my jaw jacker. I don't have a photographer right now, so it's about the best I can do. It's a nice looking fish.
Yeah. Nice cut.
Went after power bait. Well, seems like fish are coming through right now.
There we go. They're having their lunch. It's lunchtime.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Nice fish. Strong fish. Cutthroat. And let him go. Kind of tangled up in things. Had lunch yet. I can't even get both poles in the water. It's the fish's turn to eat lunch. Here we are. What is it? 12:30? Yeah, 12:45. Holy cow! Hasn't been this good since last Friday. Well, I'll get my hands warm, get rigged back up, and start over. Tie this line around my toes and wake me up. Oh, this is going to be great. Tie it up here. Dream about catching big fish.
Wake up, Bruce, wake up.
What?